Now we are at Nehru Zoological Park. We are seeing in the video white peacock. It is albino peafowl. White peacocks. It's around 10 to 15 years. Their lifespan has appeared. They eat usually vegetables, shoots, insects, lizards, snakes, grains and etc. There are lots of their white peacocks in the Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad. They are very healthy. This is the color mutation of Indian peafowl. These like white peacocks also there at Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and our country, India. In Telugu, it is called as Shwetavarna Nemali, albino peafowl or white peacock. They have two names. People as calls like this. They are big size. As we seen in the video, their feathers are very long, above 1 year, above 1 meter long. They are very sensitive. They are very healthy. (173) species and nearly 1800 specimens surviving in the area of 380 acres in the Nehru Zoological Park. Park Authority identified around 88 bird species. The other bird we are watching in the zoo cage, golden pheasant. Their lifespan is around 6 to 8 years. Their diet food has grains, leaves and invertebrates. Their native place is China. The other one was Lady Amherst's pheasant. Their lifespan was usually 15 years. We seen in the video. Their diet foods are grains, leaves, etc. Their lifespan was around 15 years. This is the bird park we seeing in the video. There are lots of birds are located in the zoo park. A nice atmosphere, so many greenery, leaves are located, bushes, long trees. A nice, a nice atmosphere has located. As you seen in the video, the bird cage, Java sparrow and long-tailed finch. Two types of birds are located in this video. Cage, a small type white birds we are seeing in the video. Their lifespan was 7 to 9 years around. They eat seeds, grains, insects. Usually at North Australia. The other bird's cage was Livingstone's Turaco, college pheasant. They are usually at South Africa. They are nearly 25 to 30 years. They have lifespan. The black color Turaco. The other one was Eclectus parrot. They are 20 to 25 years their lifespan. These like so many cages are there. White cuckoo, sulfur crested, cockatoo. Their lifespan was 35 to 40 years. They are distributed at Indonesia. Their diet food was grass, seeds, fruits, nuts, berries, and any type of vegetarian. White cockatoo. You seen in the video how they are flying here to there. The yellow color tail at the head. They are plucking with the mouth and hanging. There are two birds are there in the cage, and other one was rainbow lorikeet. Their lifespan was around 20 to 25 years. Their diet food was grass, black-capped lory. These are usually 20 to 25 years their lifespans. They are at Australia. Other one was Lutino cockatail. Their lifespan was 16 to 25 years. As we seen in the video, so many Lutina cockatiel birds are watching and playing in the cage. Usually they eat grass, seeds, fruits, berries, and any type of vegetarians. The other was grey cockatail. These are distribution at Australia. From Australia, a black colored small type of birds. The other cage was budgerigger. Their lifespan was 6 to 8 years. They usually eat grass, grains and etc. As you see in the video, so many color budgerigger birds are located in the cage. These are from Australia. 6 to 8 years their lifespan. These are Senegal parrot. Their lifespan was 30 to 35 years around their birth. Their diet food was seeds. The other one is peach-faced lovebird. Their lifespan was 12 to 15 years. They eat millets, grass seeds, nuts, fruits, berries and vegetarian. So many birds are there. Peach-faced lovebird they call. Their distribution at southwestern Africa. They are enjoying with lots of locations in the cage. The other one was yellow collared lovebird. Usually their lifespan was 25 to 30 years. There was at West Africa. They are located, and also Fisher's lovebirds also there. There were at East Central Africa. Their lifespan was 12 to 15 years. Usually the two types of birds, they eat millets, seeds, nuts, berries, fruits and vegetarian etc. Lots of birds we are watching in the cage. The other one was African grey parrot and Timney grey parrot. Their location was East Africa and West Africa. Their lifespan was 25 to 30 years. Their diet food was grass, millets, berries and etc. Sun conure, Jende conure, Patagonian conure. The three types of birds are there in this cage. Their lifespan was 25 to 30 years. Their located was South America. Other one was yellow crowned Amazon. Their lifespan was 25 to 30 years. They located Australia. Green winged macaw. These lifespans are 30 to 35 years. They eat vegetables and flowers too, and also berries. They are located at South America. As we seen in the video, the big size of the bird, scarlet macaw. Their lifespan was 30 to 35 years. Their distribution was South America. The red color, yellow color, blue color, they are at 3 colors. Multicolor bird, parrot. These birds generally talks also with the public. We call as talking parrots. The other one was blue and gold macaw. Their lifespan was 30 to 35 years. They are located at South America. These birds we call as talking parrots usually. Usually they eat fruits, apples, flowers and any types of vegetables. They are enjoying a pair of parrots in the cage. So these like so many birds are located in the Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad. Why can let go and watch the birds park? This side lawn has located a selfie pics are usually public takes. A nice greenery garden has located beside of the birds park. A nice atmosphere, greenery, a cool air. The park authorities cleaning with the water